We have weird and wonderful machines that, if you're not into engineering, you will have never seen before.
Hi, I'm Sara and Quinlan.
I'm Batt, and we're here in Wales to do a factory tour at DMM with Fred.
We're a company that is vertically integrated. We design it, we make it, we sell it. All this is tool room. We've got lots of machines that do lots of things. The key to making a good forging is to have great tools, and you do everything the same every single time you do it. That bang is 528 tons. Super important you follow all the rules, and the guys who run this are absolutely great. So this is the assembly. In here we'll put things together. As you can see, there's lots of riveting machines. Riveting is a very big part of assembling things. Even a little machine like this will apply 6 tons to the head of a rivet. What we're going to do, you're going to have a go at putting the carabiners together. They look really simple, but there are lots of ways you could do it wrong.
1, 2, 3, go!
This is my concentration phase.
I actually started grabbing the wrong one.
Doom.
What was the time? Ah. It's good I don't work here.
Our lovely team of assemblers, if they were here, they would laugh at us because they are so much faster. Laser marking, 2 laser machines in here, very important. Put batch numbers, standards, or anything special that goes on them. Again, it's all computerized, everything's recorded. Right, on we go. So this is our production tensile tester. So this is a 100 kilonewton machine. Again, like everything, it has a set of recipes, and the recipes are in line with the European standards. Okay, David, hit the button.
I've wanted to come here so long. I am a little bit emotional. I'm not kidding.